Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss one more problem on sequences and infinite series. Test for the convergence of the series 1 plus 2x by 3 factorial, 3 square by 4 factorial, x square, so on, so on. X is greater than 0. We are applying D'Alembert test. What the D'Alembert test says, if sigma un is a positive term series, limit n tends to infinity, un by un plus 1 equal to n. If L is greater than 1 convergent, less than 1 divergent, equal to 1 test fail. And this is a long-term problem, long question problem. So we have to apply two tests. First, you have to go for UN. UN is not given. So n to the power of n minus 1, x to the power of n minus 1 by n factorial. Now if you go for un plus 1, this n will become n plus 1 to the power of n, x to the power of n by n plus 1 factorial. Now we have to go un by un plus un by un plus. What is your un? N to the power of n into n to the power of minus 1, x to the power of n into x to the power of minus 1 by n factorial. Un plus 1, this n plus 1, I am writing n plus 1 into n factorial by n plus 1 whole to the power of n into x to the power of n. So this is, let me change the color. This is x to the power of n, x to the power of n getting cancelled. This n factorial getting cancelled. We are left with un by un plus 1 equal to, this is n plus 1 by n. This part, this 1 by n. This will be, and this will be n to the power of n by n plus 1 whole to the power of n into 1 by x. Now what we are doing here, un by un plus 1. If you take n common, this will be 1 plus 1 by n, and this will be n by n plus 1 whole to the power of n into 1 by n. You see, n by n plus 1 is there. If you take n common, 1 plus 1 by n getting cancelled. So, applying the limit n tends to infinity, un by un plus 1 equal to limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by n, and 1 by x I am writing here, I may forget. So this will be reduced to 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of n. 1 by x as it is. As n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0. So it is 1 plus 0 is 1. This is 1 by e. 1 plus limit n tends to infinity. Remember, limit n tends to infinity. 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of n is e. It is in the denominator, it is 1 by e. So therefore, it is, this is xe or ex. If 1 by ex is greater than 1, convergent. 1 by ex less than 1, divergent. Or x equal to e, x equal to 1 by e. X equal to 1 by e, D'Alembert test fails. So x equal to 1 by e, D'Alembert test fails. So for x equal to 1 by e. So in un you have to substitute. What is un? Un by un plus 1. What is this? Un by un plus 1. X equal to E. X equal to 1 by E. X equal to 1 by E. If we put, you see, from here, X equal to 1 by means E will come in the numerator. This is in the numerator, this is in the denominator. This part. This part, they will take this. Un by Un plus 1. After simplifying, we get 1 plus 1 by n. This is 1 by 1 plus whole to the power of n. And x equal to 1 by e means it will go to the numerator. So this will be 1 plus 1 by n into e. This is 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of n. Okay. Now applying log both the sides. Log un by un plus 1 equal to log 1 plus 1 by n divided by 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of n into e. Log of AB is log A plus log B. Log of A by B is log A minus log B. So this is equal to log of 1 plus 1 by n, 1 by n plus log E minus log of 1 plus 1 by n whole to the power of n. So log of 1 plus 1 by n is 1 by n minus 1 by 2n square plus 1 by 3 n cube minus 1 by 4n to the power of 4. So on it is going on. Plus log e to the base e is 1. Generally we'll go with the natural logarithms. Log, you see again one more property of log. Log a to the power of m is m log a. So this will be again 1 by n minus 1 by 2n square 3n cube minus plus minus plus so on. So this is 1 by n minus 1 by 2n square plus 1 by 3n cube plus 1, and this is, if you take n, this is minus n, minus time minus plus 2 by n minus this is 3n square, so on. So see here, let me change the color. Plus 1 minus 1 getting cancelled. You see, they go together. So 1 by n plus 1 by 2n. So 1 by n plus 1 by 2n. 1 by n, 1 by n, 2n, 1 by n. If you take n common, 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2n. So this is 3 by 2n. This is minus 5 by 6n square plus so on. So if you apply n into log un by un plus 1, what we are doing here is multiplying by n. Multiply by n. take n. This will become 3 by 2 minus 5 by 6n plus so on so on. Now apply the limit n tends to infinity. N into log of un by un plus 1 equal to limit n tends to infinity so on. As n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0, 3 by 2 greater than 1. Greater than 1 means convergent by log test, by logarithmic test. When x equal to 1 by e. Okay, see here, please see here a little bit long problem. Test for the convergence of the series. This is a long problem. So first we apply the Alembert test. We got when x equal to 1 by e, the test fails. So we put x equal to 1 by e because whenever e is there in the problem, 100% you have to apply the log. That's it. Applying the log of un by, this is the formula. Then we got 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is greater than 1. Convergent by logarithmic test. Therefore, the series, we have proved the series. We have discussed the behavior of the series. Test for the convergence of the series, discuss the behavior of the series. Whatever he says, we are doing the same thing. So first D'Alembert test, then logarithmic test. That's it, class. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends.